Welcome back, fourth graders, for chapter 5 of Where the Mountain Meets the Moon. Just show you the illustration at the top of chapter 5. And we'll jump in. The next morning, Minley felt as if her head was spinning with thoughts and plans. She was so busy thinking and plotting that she barely noticed her parents nodding sadly at each other when they saw the empty fishbowl. And in the fields, when Minley worked as if in a daze, her parents said nothing about her slow and messy planting. When the sun began to set and Minley went home to make dinner, she quickly washed and made the rice. Then she set the table for 2 people, sat down, and wrote this note. Dear Ma and Ba, I am going to Never-Ending Mountain to ask the old man of the moon how I can change our fortune. I might be away for many days, but don't worry, I will be fine. When I come back, we will be able to fill our house with gold and jade. Love, your obedient daughter, Minley. And you can see how they wrote it as a letter in here. The obedient part isn't completely true, Minley thought to herself, as she knew her parents would not be happy to find her gone. But it's not false either. They didn't say I couldn't go, so I'm not being disobedient. Still, Minley knew that wasn't entirely right either, but she shook away her uneasy feelings and prepared for her journey. On a blanket, she put a needle, a pair of chopsticks, her white rabbit rice bowl, a small piece of dried bamboo, a hollow gourd full of water, a small knife, a fish net, some uncooked rice, a large pot, and the 1 remaining copper coin. Then she wrapped her blanket into a bag, tied it on her back, and took a last look at the shabby house. Through the windows, Fruitless Mountain stood like a shadow, but Minley closed her eyes and imagined the house shimmering with gold and the mountain jade green with trees, and smiled. Then she opened the door and left.